Hi Colin, I thought I'd do a quick video for you. It's easier than explaining. I don't know anything about them. I've never done one before. It's probably the same pump as yours, I guess. Okay, goes off the same boiler. This is just a, I don't know, I'm just going to say, just to cover myself, I'm not a plumber. I just fix things because I find it cheaper, and if you watch the rest of my videos you'll understand why. So what I'm going to do is, I've got a pair of grips. It's the only thing I can think of which this comes off with. Maybe you could take it off and maybe service it a little bit because yours is weeping. I've had to change my pump anyway, so I've changed the whole pump, which is the whole unit, because it came with it. It was a cheap one off eBay. So I'm just going to pair them all. I haven't got my camera stand with me at the moment, so I'm just going to put you on pause, and I'm just going to use a pair of grips, monkey grips, and I'm just going to gently try and ease this off. Okay, pretty easy. It did come. I can't do this both. How can I do this to show you? Let me have a look. Right, here we go. See if you can see this. There you go. There you go, mate. Now, I will go back down the house in a minute, and I'll show you how to isolate. Right, let me just do this. I'll do it by hand. I don't know what's underneath this. Let's have a little look. There's new. Okay, it looks like it's a float. Like you said, it's an air release. Now, I don't know if you've got a new one or you can service this. I have no idea, mate. But mine's pretty rubbish. If it's leaking, it'll be either through this little, which is an Allen key, so you could get an O-ring to fit that, or through the top maybe an O-ring, but mine's shot. So, but I'll just nip down the house and I'll show you how to isolate this so you can separate, so you don't get water everywhere. If you've got a spare one, I mean, you might be able to get off eBay. Just put your pump make in and put valve. Okay, let's go down for a walkies. Okay, mate, so what I do to isolate mine, I just turn these 3 taps off. Can you see that? Sorry. 1, 2, 3. You probably don't have to do them, but I just turn all 3 off. And then, I can't show you underneath, can I? Let me have a look. You see that? You can probably just see that, my friend. Where is it? Hold on, let me get there. When you take the cover, let me just, I'll see what I can do, hold on. Okay, I just put the cover off. So if you can see behind there, see that white valve tap? You probably know this, I'm just showing you anyway. Okay, so turn that and empty the system. Okay, so turn your isolator. You can turn off your mains if you want, if you're not sure. So turn that, drain that, which will drain your pump. And you can see mine's clean. I bought a better pump. But I showed you just better grips on that. You should be able to get to it. Yeah, and then just turn it and either replace it or put some O seals in it. I probably would replace it if I was you. Alright, so there you go. Isolate it first underneath. Using those taps, come back up. Switch off the mains if you wish. It does isolate just the pump. That little white tap. Can I get to that? This one here. You see my finger? There you go, this one here. Open him up, anti-clockwise. Is it clockwise? We have a look. Clockwise, yeah. Open him up, drain him. You can put a bit of pipe or just put a bucket underneath. Catch it all. You'll see this when it stops dripping, and then undo your valve at the top. So there you go. Hope it helps. If you hear mine still going, a bit warm at the moment. There you go. I'm still dropping a bit of pressure, and we still get a bit of kettle in, so she needs another clean. But that's for another video. All right, take care. Hope that helps, Colin. All the best, mate. Cheers. Take care.